I'm here at the Bukovski Grobište in Bitola, the Republic of Macedonia. And behind me is the crypt to American soldier Pande Matevski, who fell a month after the main D-Day landings on Normandy in 1944. Great mystery surrounds Pande Matevski. For nearly 70 odd years, no one could confirm his actual identity. No one knew whether he had served in the US Army and had fallen at Normandy. Being an ex-Australian soldier, this aroused my curiosity, and I began researching and looking into the mystery, and I was able to solve this mystery. I put the pieces together, and to understand this mystery, you need to understand Macedonian history. In 1912-1913, Macedonia, after 500 years of Turkish Ottoman rule, was partitioned between Greece, Serbia and Bulgaria. This part of Macedonia, which is now the Republic of Macedonia, fell under Serbian colonial rule from 1912 to 1941. And Macedonians in this part weren't allowed to speak Macedonian, and their Macedonian surnames had been forcibly changed into Serbian ones. In Greece and in Bulgaria, the same process happened. You had Macedonians being forced to speak Greek, changing their surnames to Greek. In Bulgaria likewise, changing their names to more Bulgarian sounding names and being barred from speaking Macedonian. So once you understand that, you're then able to solve this mystery. And knowing this and following a hunch, I began looking through the US records, Army records, census, migration, etc., etc. And I took a guess and said, well, Pande Matevski in Macedonian, what would it be in Serbian? It would probably have to be Matevic. So, using that, I went through the records and located him. And I found his army number. I found the unit name, the US Army Infantry Division he had served with. And he arrived about a month after the main D-Day landings. The D-Day landings were on the 6th of June 1944. Pande arrived early July 1944 and was killed instantly, from what I've been able to ascertain. But yeah, this is, for me, is an incredible journey. I've come full circle, beginning 2 or 3 years ago when I began looking into this mystery, to finally coming to Pande Matevski's last resting place.